2018 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, rear window wiper, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Come take a test drive today.